Learn English step by step. Listen and repeat slowly. This lesson is perfect for beginners. If this lesson helps you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. It really supports this channel. Today, you will learn daily English phrases, common questions, verbs in context, and short conversations. Let's start. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please. 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 Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No problem. No problem. No problem. Of course. Of course. Of course. That's right. That's right. That's right. I understand. I understand. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. See you later. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. Take care. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct? Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I need help. I need help. I need help. I want to learn. I want to learn. I want to learn. I like this. I like this. I like this. I have time. I have time. I have time. I don't have money. I don't have money. I don't have money. I work here. I work here. I work here. I live near here. I live near here. I live near here. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for this. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. I understand you. I understand you. I understand you. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I remember you. I remember you. I remember you. I agree. I agree. I agree. I need more time. I need more time. I need more time. I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. Hello. Hi, how are you? Excuse me. Yes? Can you help me? Of course. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. How much is this? It's $10. Where are you from? I'm from Chile. Do you speak English? A little. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Thank you. You're welcome. See you later. Bye. Great job! Repeat this lesson every day to improve your English. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write a comment below. Your support helps this channel create more free English lessons. See you next time. Bye!